Well, happy Valentine's Day, South Central PA. Hope everyone enjoyed the lovely weather today. It was the warmest Saturday in over a month. We certainly deserved it here after a frigid stretch. If you have any evening plans, overnight plans, looking good there too. Tomorrow for our Sunday, it's a dry start, but through the afternoon, we'll see some light rain showers develop, and that will likely transition into some snow showers as we head towards sunset and then through our Sunday evening and early overnight. Thankfully, with temperatures still near 40 tomorrow, little to no accumulation expected. Best chance of an inch or so for our highest elevations, again, east of Harrisburg as well. As we head into Monday, we dry out quickly. If you have the day off for President's Day, looking fantastic. A milder stretch continues, and it really does begin for next week as well, as we see 40s to even near 50 continue. As we head into the middle of the week, Wednesday brings our next round of showers, which, by the way, we do need, and there are numerous shower chances as we head over the next 7 or so days. But tonight, clouds do increase, we return, but we do stay dry here as we see temperatures only fall to about 30 out the door tomorrow morning. And despite the clouds returning and a few showers in the afternoon, temperatures get back up into the upper 30s, low 40s. If you're heading out to the final day of the Great American Outdoor Show, it is looking pretty nice. As we head into the afternoon, again, that's when we'll start to see some light rain showers develop. The bulk of this low pressure is well to our south, but as we get grazed by it, light rain showers will develop. By sunset, most of us should see a little bit of light snow transition or mix in, and through the evening, those will continue and into the early overnight. I'd say by about 2, 3, 4 a.m., we'll all dry out, and that will be out of here just in time for our President's Day on Monday. So in terms of accumulations, again, it's going to have a tough time sticking to the roadways. So that is some good news, mainly wet roads, but we could see a slushy coating to an inch across the region again, especially along and east of 81. Your higher elevations have a better chance of seeing an inch or so, especially say South Mountain towards northern Lancaster County. But regardless, we'll dry out and temperatures staying pretty marginal Monday morning as well. So cleanup should be very easy. If you have to work on Monday, no weather issues as we get into the afternoon, back up into the 40s. Notice by Tuesday, we are up to near 50. I do think we see a little bit of patchy fog as we head into Tuesday morning, but Monday and Tuesday are dry. Wednesday brings our next chance of some scattered showers. But notice over the next 7 days, temperatures are near or above normal as we pretty much wrap up the month of February. As we head into Wednesday, again, a few showers possible. We'll dry out Thursday, another chance of showers as we head into the end of the work week and the following weekend.